Best friends. So Vivi Babi sent me some hair. The longest length I have is a 28-inch. I have 4 bundles and a frontal. This is their Waterwave texture, but this reminds me more of a curly texture, if you would ask me. But you know, each company have their own, you know, texture listings. So I went in and made the bundles into a wig, and now it's time to customize. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and bleach the knots. So I am using 30 volume developer with my quick blue, and I'm just going to place that all over the lace just to bleach the knots to make sure that it just has that natural, more natural looking effect that goes on with bleaching the knots. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna leave the bleach on the lace for about 30 minutes. Make sure you are monitoring your lace, because if you don't, and your room is hot, or you know the elements in your house is warmer, it might process faster. So you definitely want to watch that, because just because I leave mine on for 30 minutes doesn't mean you leave yours on for 30 minutes. Make sure you keep your eye on your units when you are bleaching and coloring your wigs. Okay, so after the bleach is on, I do let it sit for 30 minutes, and after I do that, I go ahead and wash it off, and then I use purple shampoo, vanilla no yellow, and I'll put that on there to tone the knots. And then I'll just shampoo the hair with my Garnier Fructis, and I will deep condition it with silicone mix. And so after that step, it's time to customize the hairline. I am going to go ahead and pluck the hairline, because the hairline was definitely full on this lace front. It was pre-plucked, but not plucked to how I personally like it. So I am going to go in and pluck a little bit more. The key is to not staying in the same spot. It's just to move back and forth along the hairline, so you won't have bald spots. You do not want to overpluck, because if you overpluck, your frontal is not going to last you a long time. And it's like you spend so much money, you don't want to have a frontal that's only going to last you like 2 wears. So do not overpluck. You know, pluck enough, and then the more that you wear it, you will receive some shedding. So that's what I am going to tell you guys. So I don't, some frontals I overpluck just because it's a look that I'm going for, but typically I do not overpluck my frontals. I don't want to do that, because I do want these to last me a cool amount of time. So after it's plucked to my liking, I am going to go in and style the front of the hairline. So I am going to go in and add a little bit more water, because the hair did kind of dry out. And I am going to add mousse to the hairline, because that's just going to help me mold my baby hair. So after I have my baby hairs and everything molded, I am going to go in with my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm going to spray the hairline lightly, and then I'm going to use my rapid strips and wrap the hairline down, because I am going to stick this wig under the dryer, and I want to make sure that the hairline is molded. I feel like when the hairline is molded, it's easier for me to put on, and it's just hassle free when it comes to like the hair being all over the place around the hairline. So here I am. It's time to apply my wig. So I am going to do the ball cap method. I'm putting some gel on my edges because my braids are old, and I want my hairline to lay down and to be sleek, because I do not want it to get anywhere in the way of me using my boho liquid gold. Okay, so I'm going to use the gel, and I'm going to just go ahead and slick my hairline back, and I am going to apply a stocking cap that I got from the wig company. And yes, we're going to just go ahead and do the ball cap method. So I'm pretty sure I showed you guys him before. This is my baby Fats. He's new to my family. That's my little love. I think I want to do a whole little video on him because he's just the craziest little dog ever. But he's so cute. So this is my wig, and it's time to put it on. So I'm just going to put it on and see how she's sitting. And then I'm going to take my boho liquid gold, and I'm going to apply my wig in sections. So I start from the middle, and then I go from the side to the side. In each section, I'll put down a nice thin layer of the boho liquid gold, and then I'll blow dry it down. It dries super fast with the blow dryer, so you want to hurry up and, like, you know, get it down packed. I like this because I change out my wigs so much, and so the boho liquid gold is water based, so as soon as it hit water, it will fall off. Okay, so this is not like lace glue. This is not like Got To Be, none of that. This is a serum to put your wigs on, and this serum is sticky enough, like it's formulated to be able to wear your wigs on a daily basis. Okay, so you can take it off, put it back on, take it off, put it back on, and I've done that before, and I absolutely love it. Okay, and so you can find this on the Hair Diagrams page on the boho.com. Whatever, I'll leave all of that information down below in the description box for you guys. So I'm just going in and then applying my wigs by section by section by section, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off the lace. So basically, this is the end of this video. This is my first time working with this particular company, and I actually like the hair. I'm still wearing the hair, so maybe I'll do an update for you guys. I don't know, but if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I will link everything that I use in this video in the description box. If you are interested in this hair, I'll leave the details in the description box for you as well. Alright, so yes, I was going to one of my friend's birthday dinner parties, and so I was like, I'm gonna look cute tonight, and I was definitely cute that night, you feel me? Alright, and then the last touch is, like, after I cut my lace, I like to go in with my freeze spray and wrap it down, and that just helps it just melt all the way in. Like that's my favorite part, this right here. And then I wrap it back with the elastic band, and then this will be the results. And she was very cute. Ooh, yes, I was feeling this hair. All right, well, until next time, bye, best friends. Playing on the beat.